beeping noise. Let me give you a quick rundown. I got to give you folks a quick rundown because you folks, you don't know. I mean, you guys, it's not that many people. See, it's not that many people on YouTube, on social media, doing vlogs about the Hellcat. This is something new. This is a new vehicle. You guys probably never heard of this car before. So I want to be I want to enlighten you guys about what this stuff do. Man. Oh, somebody listening to Ghostbusters. Somebody here listening to Ray Park. Shout out to Ray Parker Jr. Shout out to Ray Parker Jr. Somebody here listening to, I can't play it because they don't copyright me. Somebody listening to the Ray Parker Jr. Boy, you got to give it up for that. Yeah, see, I'm telling you, them challengers got to play. Notice all the big people be looking at the challengers because they got space, man. I'm telling you, that woman can't get in no Camaro. The Camaro be that bad. You been to she can't get up in no Camaro, babe. All right, back at it. Here we go. We done got the, okay, now let's get over here and look at these challenges and these charges. Challenges and charges. Which one is this? What is this? This red Challenger. Hey, how you doing? All right. What this is? One of them, this one of them V6s or something. Okay, automatically, you see that the biggest trunk you're going to get out of the little American muscle cars, so-called muscle cars, there's gonna be that Challenger, that big old trunk. It's big, nice and wide, nice big trunk. This is definitely probably like the 6-cylinder. Yeah, this is probably like the little cylinder. Oh man, they got a Hellcat over there. I gotta go over there to the Hellcat. Yeah, I gotta go to the Hellkizzy. I'm gonna go to the Hellcat. Okay, yeah, enough of that base model. But I look at this Daytona, man. This Daytona is nice. Okay, first thing I'm looking at is the trunk. Look at that big wide trunk. That's nice. Nice big wide trunk. That's nice, man. Nice, man. Nice big wide trunk. 392 Daytona. Oh, they got the little. That's nice. Now let's get in here and see what it. I already know, man. I already know it got plenty of space in it. I already know that. I already know. So, yeah, the space is cool, but believe it or not, the leg room isn't as much as I thought it would. I guess I gotta cut the car on to let the seat back. Yeah, I probably gotta cut the car on to let the seat back. It won't let it cut on. But it seemed alright. It's alright. Got the Daytona emblem right there. It's cool. It's alright. And yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Yeah, Daytona is cool. Daytona Charger. It's cool. You know. 41,000. That ain't too bad. Yeah, 41,000. But let's look at this Hellcat. There we go, baby. Yeah, the cat. The Hellcat. Yeah. Man, I can hear it roar. That big old fat engine block. Look at them big old tires. SRT, baby. Look at that thing. Nice trunk. Let me get in this thing. Man. I ain't playing around. Call me Hellcat Corey. That's what you call me. Hellcat Corey, goddammit. Let this seat back. Look at all these midgets in here. Look how long I had to wait to let the seat back, man. Too many midgets. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. 220 on the dash. 200, I can feel. Let me tell you, I'm getting this car automatically. I feel like I gotta drive 220 miles per hour. Look at this car. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. SRT. Call me SRT cord. Call me Hellcat cord. Look at that. Look at all that. Take me back to the home base. Press that button. Oh, look at that. Look at that Hellcat in the middle. Ooh. Look at that, boy. So you want to talk about leg space? The most leg space is in the Challenger. Of course, they already knew that anyway. But yeah, if you a big, tall dude, especially you fat, you big and fat, man, you gotta get a Challenger, man. You gotta get a Challenger. You a big fat. If you like 6 feet and you fat too, oh hell yeah, you gotta get a Challenger, man. Look at that SRT in the seat, in the mother freaking seat, boy. Look at that, boy. Look at that, boy. I tell you, boy. Port 1, port 2. And we got that. Light that dash back up. Come on, light it back up for me. Come on. Yeah, I like that. I love seeing that, man. I feel like I need to drive 100 miles per hour right now. I ain't even I'm just sitting in this thing. Man, look at that. Look at this stuff. Launch. Take you to a whole nother. I'm scared to push it. I ain't want to launch and run somebody over. And there's a lady, somebody with a baby carriage up there. I don't want it. Lady, you better get out the way. I'm in the Hellcat here. Hey, I like that though. And look at this. Woo, 220 on the dash. That's what I'm talking about, man. Pull up in the Hellcat on y'all. That's what I'm talking about, man. I don't even want to get up out this morning. And you know what? Oh yeah, back seat, you know, it's still tight. I was about to say you could fit somebody back there, but let me get out this thing. Cause I know, see, like him, he need a Hellcat. Challenger. Yeah, big fella. You big fella like that, you gotta get a Hellcat or Challenger. I mean, Challenger, Charger, one of the two. Yeah, that thing, nice, man. That thing nice. How much they want for it? How much they want for it? 50,000. This here probably base model right here. Yep, base price 58,000. That's what they say. You probably get it down a little lower than that. Yeah, 58,000. 15 miles to the gallon. That's what they say. That's what they say. That's what they say. Yeah, Hellcat Redeye Widebody. It's the Redeye too. It's the Redeye. SRT, red brake caliber on that thing. I'm telling you, you see me? See somebody coming? Get out that way, man. They riding in something like this, you gotta get out that way. I'ma just straight up tell you, get out that way. See? Yeah, see, I'm telling you, them Challengers got to wait. Notice all the. See, you notice all the big people be looking at the Challengers because they got space, man. I'm telling you, you can't. That woman can't get in no Camaro. The Camaro be that bad. You been to she can't get up in no Camaro, babe. I'm telling you. Yeah, I like this though. Hell yeah. 58,000, that ain't bad. 58,000, that ain't too bad. 58,000. Chump change. That ain't nothing. 58,000, that ain't nothing. That's all they want for it too. 58,000. That ain't nothing but a thing. Let's look in here. You got this stuff, okay? You got the insignia right here. You got your what that pink stuff is, the brake fluid. Yeah, whatever. Transmission, something. Fluid. You got all that good. Windshield wiper, okay. What that is, a little battery box. Yeah. Yeah. You know, I'm telling you, I got a new, oh, the trunk closed, okay. I tell you what, you call me. You call me HCK, baby. I got a new name, folks. HCK. HCK. Hellcat Corey, goddammit. I'm at HCK. I dropped my water. That's alright. HCK, baby. HCK up in here. HCK. Alright. I've slobbered and drooled over this enough. Let me move on to something else. The Hellcat. I'm bad. The Hellcat is nice, boy. See, you can tell the people. You can tell the people that got it in their veins that want one bad. Cause we come back to it. We come back and look again. See this guy right here, and me and this guy. See, we want one bad. And you know what? We gonna get one, man. It's in our destiny, man. We're gonna get one day. We're gonna get one. We gonna do it. See, we want one bad. We can't stop coming looking at this thing, man. This thing is just, it's a freaking, I mean, it's amazing, man. Oh, look at this shit. See, somebody's short been sitting in here again. See, like, how tall is the person that sit right here? That person sitting that close to the steering wheel. Come on, man. The steering wheel is above their genitals. My God. Come on, man. These short midgets, man. You gotta scoot the seat back for the midgets. Man, I know that seat go back further. You don't go no further than that. But still got good leg room, though. I'm telling you, man. Oh, somebody listening to Ghostbusters. Somebody here listening to Ray Parker. Shout out to Ray Parker Jr. Shout out to Ray Parker Jr. Somebody here listening to... I can't play it because they don't copyright it. Somebody listening to Ray Parker Jr., boy. You got to give it up for that. Heck yeah, man. Ray Parker Jr., man. You got everything in here. You got the launch. They tell you, see this button here. Okay, first you got this SRT button. Let me explain what these buttons do. Let me close the door, stop that beeping noise. Let me give you a quick rundown. I got to give you folks a quick rundown because you folks, you don't know. I mean, you guys, it's not that many people. See, it's not that many people on YouTube, on social media, doing vlogs about the Hellcat. This is something new. This is a new vehicle. You guys probably never heard of this car before. So I want to be I want to enlighten you guys about what this stuff do. That man jamming. Hold on, I gotta cut that go button up. Oh man, I ain't gonna cut that up. I tried to cut a little bit there. Ray Parker Jr., that's my man right there. Who you gonna call? Anyway, Cousin Corey. Anyway. So yeah, let me enlighten you guys on what this stuff can do. Okay, so we have this mute button. Okay, that's for you in the car and somebody running their mouth and they won't shut up because you want to hear the motor. You want to hear this big fat 800 horsepower roar, and they running their goddamn dang on mouth. You hit that button right there and they shut them up right there. They just she just running her mouth. He or she. It don't matter. They just running their mouth. You see that? It automatically cuts off all noise. You got this SRT button. This SRT button is directly connected to NASA. When you hit that SRT button, it lets you know because you're getting ready to launch. It's letting you know. It's giving you the countdown. You hit SRT, it give you the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mission control. Launch. You hit that launch button. Boom. You launch into a whole nother stratosphere. This car is another level. This is a whole nother level car here, folks. It's a whole nother level car here, folks. You got 220 on the dashboard. 220 reasons why you should buy this car. They don't want no but 58,000. They don't want no but 58,000. You gon' pay that little 58,000, man. That ain't nothing, man. Gon' pay that little BS 58,000. You only live one. That ain't nothing. 58,000. That ain't nothing, man. That ain't bad. It's a red eye too. Let me get out this car. Let me get out this car, man. Red eye too. You can't beat that, man. Let's see, they got all this stuff. See, this is where you put your rocket fuel. You got to get the rocket fuel, special edition. This is where you go to get your rocket fuel. And that's all this thing take, rocket fuel. See the tape on there? Because they don't want nobody to make a mistake and put some regular gasoline, put some 93 octane and all that crap. No, you got to put rocket fuel in this thing. That's all it takes. Okay, let me pop this trunk real quick. Where my trunk popping there? Oh yeah. There we go. Now let's pop this trunk again. Let's look in this trunk again. Because I forgot this. Now look at that. Now see that space? That all that space. Dodge is part of Dodge protocol mandate to make a trunk this big. You have to be able to fit at least 3 bodies in the trunk. This here is enough for about 3 bodies, because that's about how many people, how many pedestrians you're going to run over. More than likely in your destination to wherever you're traveling, you're going to run over about 3 or 4, anywhere from 2 to 3 pedestrians. You're running over anywhere from about 2 to 3 pedestrians per travel. Okay, so that's mandated by Dodge that they have to make the trunk that big. Okay, so understand, this is Dodge protocol. This is what they do. It's just what they do. Beautiful car. Yeah, that's Dodge protocol. They do that the same thing with the Charger. Same thing with the Charger. See, look at the big old trunk. Big ass trunk. Look at that. Look at that. That's 1, 2, 3 good bodies you can fit up in there. Same thing. This is Daytona, baby. I mean, we talking about how much horsepower, I don't know. But let me tell you, man. You car enthusiasts, you know how much horsepower this thing pushing. Come on now. Rocket fuel. Yeah, that's all that. Hey, same thing. They gotta make it. This is, you have to be at least 3 bodies, because you're gonna hit about 3 pedestrians that think they got the right of way. You got some people they think they got the right of way, and they gonna come and think they got the right of way and walk their ass in that street. And you don't walk in front of no cars like this type of car and that type of car over there. You don't. I don't care what the pedestrian right of way rules are, regulations is. Let me tell you, you don't walk out in front of these cars. I don't give a damn. But you got some people that's gonna test you. They gonna try it. They gonna test it, and they gonna get their ass knocked off. Simple as that.